Buying Hawaiian Miles. Hawaiian Miles is the frequent flyer program of Hawaiian Airlines, allowing travelers to earn and redeem miles for flights, upgrades, and partner services. If you need extra miles to book a flight or reach a reward threshold, buying miles can be an option. Here's everything you need to know before purchasing Hawaiian Miles. 1. Understand when to buy Hawaiian Miles. Buying miles is generally not the best deal unless you need a small number of miles to complete a booking. The airline is offering a bonus promotion on purchase miles. You are booking a premium cabin or international flight where the value per mile is higher. You need miles urgently and cannot earn them through flying or credit card spending. 2. Where to buy Hawaiian Miles. You can buy Hawaiian Miles directly through Hawaiian Airlines website. Log into your Hawaiian Miles account and navigate to the Buy Miles section. Hawaiian Airlines customer service. Call their support to inquire about purchasing options. Hawaiian Miles are sold in increments of 500 miles with a maximum purchase limit per transaction. Third, Hawaiian Miles pricing and fees. Hawaiian Airlines typically charges 2.5 cents per mile, not including taxes and fees. A minimum purchase of 500 miles is required. Processing fees may apply depending on the number of miles purchased. Periodically, Hawaiian Airlines runs promotions offering bonuses, e.g., buy 5,000 miles, get 50% more free, which can increase the value of buying miles. 4. How to purchase Hawaiian Miles. To buy miles online, log into your Hawaiian Miles account. Navigate to Buy, Gift, and Transfer Miles in the menu. Select the number of miles you need. Complete payment using a credit or debit card. Miles are credited instantly or within 24 hours to your account. 5. Consider gifting or transferring miles. Instead of buying miles, you can gift miles. Purchase miles for another person's Hawaiian Miles account. Transfer miles. Move miles from one account to another. Fees may apply. These options can be useful for pooling miles for a family member's ticket. 6. Compare buying versus earning miles. Before purchasing, consider earning miles through other methods. Hawaiian Airlines credit card. Earn miles on everyday purchases. Flying Hawaiian Airlines. Earn miles through flights or airline partners. Shopping and dining partners. Some retailers and restaurants offer Hawaiian Miles. Earning miles through flights or promotions is often cheaper than buying them outright. 7. Best uses for purchased miles. The best ways to use Hawaiian Miles include award flights, redeem miles for Hawaiian Airlines or partner flights. Flight upgrades. Use miles to upgrade from economy to first class. Hotel and car rentals. Redeem miles for partner travel services. Miles have the most value when used for flights, especially during peak travel periods. 8. Refund policy for purchased miles. Hawaiian Airlines does not allow refunds on purchased miles. Once you buy them, they are non-refundable and non-transferable to another loyalty program. 9. Check for promotions and discounts. Hawaiian Airlines frequently offers bonus miles promotions, e.g., 20 to 50% extra miles on purchases. If you must buy miles, wait for these deals to maximize your purchase value. Buying Hawaiian Miles can be useful in specific situations, but it is rarely the cheapest way to get flights. If you're close to an award ticket or need miles urgently, consider promotions, gifting, or transfers before making a purchase. Always calculate the cost per mile compared to cash fares to ensure you're getting a good deal.